the heart of every journey lies a name that must never be forgotten.
Abraham Lincoln said, "You know an expert when an expert is able to summarize what he does in one word or one sentence."
Being an African person of color.
What you're taught is that we just popped out of nowhere.
The Nigerian Biafra March.
The war, it's something nobody should wish for anybody at all.
The biggest culprit to all of this is education.
So my father wanted to go to the thick of it to see real discrimination.
A name echoing across time, wrapped in language, memory, and sacrifice.
You help one person and let the chain extend and circle around.
Udo, ka anyị biri n'ofu.